Good morning, my students. Today I am discuss about yellow mercuric oxide. The molecular weight of yellow mercuric oxide is 216.6. It contains not less than 99% of mercuric oxide calculated with reference to the substance dried at 105 degree for 1 hour. Now the preparation. Yellow mercuric oxide is prepared by precipitation of mercuric nitrate or mercuric chloride solution with sodium hydroxide solution. Yellow precipitate is allowed to settle, washed by the decantation, filtered and rewashed to separate chloride and dried in air. These are the reactions. It is also prepared by decomposing the nitrate by heat or by heating mercuric for long time in air at 300 degrees Celsius. This is the reaction. Now the physical characteristics. Yellow mercuric oxide is yellow or orange yellow. It is heavy, impalpable, amorphous, odorless powder having orthorhombic structure. It is stable in air but becomes decolored on exposure to light. Practically insoluble in water, soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid or nitric acid, or in solution of alkali cyanides or iodide forming colorless solution. It is slowly soluble in solution of alkali bromides. Insoluble in alcohol, it is protected from light incompatibility with reducing agent. On heating, yellow mercuric oxide is converted into red variety, but the strong heating it decomposes to give oxygen. The red oxide occurs as heavy orange-red crystalline scale or as a crystalline powder. When it is divided finely, it acquires a yellow color. It preserves well-closed container protected from the light. The taste of purity. The taste of mercurous salt chloride loss on drying, sulfated acidity and alkalinity. Now the assay. For the assay dependent on the volumetric Vollard method, the substance is dissolved in dilute nitric acid to form mercuric nitrate. This is the titrated with standard solution of ammonium thiocyanate using ferric alum. The endpoint is appearance of brick red colored. This is the reaction. Whey of 0.4 is dissolved in nitric acid and dilute with water. It is titrated with temperature not above 20 degree with 0.1 normol of ammonium thiocyanate using ferric ammonium sulfate solution as an indicator. Each ml of 0.1 normal ammonium thiocyanate is equivalent to 0.01083 gram of mercuric oxide. Yellow mercuric oxide is used in eye ointments for the local treatment of minor infection, including the eradication of the crab lice from the eyelashes and inflammation of the eye, including conjunctivitis. It has been used as a topical antiseptic fungicides in chronic skin conditions, conjunctivitis, corneal ulcer as an oxidizing agent. During its manufacture and storage, yellow mercuric oxide ophthalmic ointment must not come into contact with metallic utensil or container except those made of stainless steel, tin or tin coated materials. Second is silver nitrate. The molecular weight of silver nitrate is 169.9. Silver nitrate contains not less than 99.5% of silver nitrate. Now the preparation. Silver nitrate is prepared by dissolving the metallic silver in hot concentrate nitric acid. This is the reaction. The solution is dried completely and the product crystallized from water. The properties. Silver nitrate's physical properties is silver nitrate occurs as colorless or white transparent crystal or crystalline odorless powder. Taste is bitter and metallic. It is not photosensitive when pure. Presence of traces amount of organic material to promotes photoreduction and it becomes grey or greyish black. Melting point is 212 degree, forming a yellowish liquid. It is soluble in water and alcohol. its solubility is increased in boiling water or alcohol. The aqueous solution and alcoholic solution are neutral to litmus. It is stored in airtight non-metallic container and protected from light. Silver nitrate is reduced by hydrogen sulfide. In the dark, it is decomposed at 440 degree into metallic silver, nitrogen, oxygen and nitrogen oxide. This is the reaction. It gives black stain when it comes in contact with skin or cloth due to reduction of the metallic silver. This is the reaction. Silver ion precipitate in both bacterial and human protein. Antibacterial, astringent, irritants and corrosive nature depends upon the concentration applied. The ions precipitate protein molecules contains sulfur, nitrogen, COOH and heterocyclic residue like example histidine. Silver preparations darkens the skin due to decomposition of free silver below the epidermis. Test of purity test for aluminium, bismuth, copper, lead, foreign salts, acidity, alkalinity, clarity, color of the solution. Dark precipitate of silver oxide is produced when ammonia is added to the solution of silver nitrate. The precipitate is soluble in excess of ammonia to give the clear solution. Bismuth and lead give the white turbidity on addition of ammonia to their solution, which is not soluble in excess of ammonia. Copper forms a blue solution due to formation of cupramonium ion. For determine a foreign substance, the acidified solution with 2 normal hydrochloric acid is filtered. The filter dried and the residue wet. What is the incompatibility? Silver nitrate is incompatible with range of substances like alkalis, antimony salts, arsenides, bromides, carbonate, chloride, iodide, thiocyanate, ferrous salt, hypophosphites, morphine salts, oils, phosphates, tannic acid, tartarate, vegetable decoction and extract. Test for identification solution gives the reaction of silver and the nitrates. What is the assay? Assay is based on the modified of Vollard method. An aqueous solution of substance acidified with nitric acid is titrated with 0.1 normal ammonium thiocyanate using ferric ammonium sulfate solution as an indicator. That is the use. Silver nitrate possesses disinfectant, astringent and irritant properties. It is used for the prophylaxis of ophthalmia in sticks form of caustic to destroy warts and other skin growth, in cosmetics to dye eyebrows, eyelashes and in homeopathic medicines and the as hair dye. The bactericidal action is due to precipitation of tissue proteins and chloride ions in the tissue fluid caused by slow release of silver ion formed the silver proteinase and silver chloride. Silver nitrate solution prevent microorganism activity. A 10% solution is used in the treatment of infected ulcer in mouth. A 1% silver nitrate ophthalmic solution is employed locally and eyes in the eyes of the infants for the prophylaxis. Adverse effect includes pain in mouth, cyalorrhea, diarrhea, vomiting, coma and convulsions. Thank you.